Hi, welcome to Code Hunters. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can join multiple PDF files into one PDF file. There are scenarios when you have multiple PDF files in a folder and you want to merge all of them into a single PDF file. So let's see how this can be achieved in UiPath. Here are the 5 PDF invoices that we want to merge into a single PDF file. Let's jump into UiPath. This is a blank sequence. To do the PDF automation, we need a package called uipath.pdf.activities. To download and add the activity, go to Manage Package section and select the official feed from here. For the UiPath activities, search for the activity uipath.pdf.activity. Select the activity and click on the install and save. Wait for it to add the dependency. Now if we check the dependencies, we can see the PDF activities has been added to our project. Let's go to the activities panel and check for PDF activities. And we can see all the available PDF activities here. Now we can go ahead and merge the PDF files. As we want to merge or join PDF files, we will drag and drop the join PDF files activity to our sequence. Let's see what are the parameters it needs. The input is a file list as an array of the PDF files with full path, and the output is the path of the file where we want to keep our merge file. Okay, so now we need the list of files in an array. So let's drag and drop the assign activity and create a variable from the variable pane. Let's call this variable as PDF files. The type will be array of string. Now we will assign the list into this variable. So we will type PDF files here, and here we will give the path. So I will copy the path from here. To get the files from the folder, we will use the directory function. So we will use directory.getFiles function. It takes two parameters. First is path as a string. So I have already copied the path, so we will give the path here, the / and comma. The next parameter is search patterns. So let's provide the pattern as star.pdf. This will only get the PDF files. There may be possibilities that there may be files that are not PDFs. Okay, so now we have the file paths in the array as in our PDF files variable. We will now provide this variable to the input of this join PDF file activity. Let's type PDF file in the input, and for the output we'll give the same folder, just paste it, followed by, let's call the merged file as merged invoice.pdf, and that's it. Let's save and run the process. The execution has been completed. Let's check our folder, and here is our merged invoice file. We can open and check. It has total 5 pages as expected. Okay, you can see it has total 5 pages, and it has merged all those single PDFs into a single merged file. Now you know how you can use join PDF activity in UiPath to merge multiple PDF files. So this brings the end of this section. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.